Hello everyone, this is Draven Edwards Productions, and today I'm going to be doing another review, and boy, this is going to be a long one. So, I got a package from Caleb, or I don't even know what it's called, but I found an item online. So yeah, this is going to take a while to open up. Okay, so I got the box open, and it has one of these things that you could pop them. So yeah, let's throw them out. And you could see this. So yeah, we don't have to go over them. So yeah. And you might notice the newspaper or whatever. Looks something like this. So yeah, I think I might keep that. Anyway, the review is going to be on the Ertl Dairy Farm. So yes, I am happy that I got my first Ertl item. And the only reason why I really wanted the Ertl Dairy Farm because I just wanted it to have Trevor and Terrence to work. So I finally got the Ertl Dairy Farm. So you could see over 65 pieces, one in 64 of a place accessories. And then the side. And then on the other side, it says Ertl. And you could see Tommy right there. And I had no idea when this was made. So yeah. So as you could see some cows and even some figurines. I like it how these accessories, and you might notice it says 5 plus a child. So yeah, and it says the bottom here it says Tommy, and then www.ertl.com. Anyway, I'll try to get everything out of this box. Alrighty, so I'm coming in for this long unboxing. Yes, I really see some tape there. This is just almost about to take a little bit of while. I think I might have to cut the process while opening it. And there we go. It's open. Let me just try to get everything out. But hold on. Oh, there we go. It's almost so easy. And it's basically nothing. And that's all of them. Let me just put that on the side. In this piece of cardboard. And I mean, look at all of these pieces there. So yeah, and you could see these. You could see these figurines and cows. Ugh, man. There, that was almost a little bit too easy. You could see the cows and then figurines. Alright, now let me just get that open. Let me just get them open. Oh wow, this is just, I am just literally just ripping everything. There we go. Let me see if I can get them out. Oh, there we go, they're out. Just let me get these out of here. And boy, I got a lot of stuff going on. And look, we got cows. We got figurines. So maybe I'll just dump them out. There they go. They just fell. Like that. Anyway, let's take a look at the cows. So here's one like this. I think it looks very good. I had been wanting this for almost quite a while. Yeah, it's the cows. Like one of these. And then I'm going to be showing you these figurines here. Just let me pull it in. This is a figurine which it looks like this. It's holding these milk jar buckets. I think it looks very good. And then there's a figurine which is like this. I know it is in focus. And there we go. It's just like this without nothing in his hands. But it's all right with me. And then there's a figurine. It has a shovel to dig something. So, yeah, for digging like that. So, yeah, that's a figurine. And I'm probably not going to show you all the rest of the cows because it's going to be a long video ahead. Okay, they've been moving on the side, and what's in that bag? Oh, we got more cows. Now this is very interesting. We got so many cows. We got so many cows. I mean, for real. We got so many. We got so many cows. And I know it's great to have one of these cows now, since I don't have them over these years. I am thinking of using the cows for remakes, like a cow on the line. And also I'm going to be using one cow for an upcoming remake of Happy Birthday Thomas, of, you know, the storybook and all of that. So yeah, we got a lot of cows going on. I'm not going to be showing you all of that because this is going to be a long video ahead. So yeah, all of the cows were out of the bag. And then let's unwrap this. Let me cut something over there. Okay, this is going to take a little bit while. I'll be right with you. Finally, they're out. They're out. So these were the parts of the dairy farm. You could really see, and you could really see the ceiling, and you could see that part. So yeah, and even this piece as well. Now let's just get on to this. Now let's just get on to this. Some pieces for the farm, and the other pieces, they're part of the farm too. This is going to take a long time to unwrap all of these. So I'll be right with you and I'll come back to see how I built it. Also, I forgot to show you these instructions. It shows you how to put them together. So yeah, but I'm still working on the process right now. I I will try to get it done. I might have to cut this video because I really wanted to make it to two parts of the review. So yeah, see you when I get the dairy farm set up.